Oh yes, guess who's back? My Phantom's back from the dead. Hey, what is up everybody? I'm Original Dobo and welcome back to Phones, Drones, and Tech. If you're new here or you haven't yet subscribed, consider subscribing. The box is right down there and it doesn't cost anything, I promise. Today I wanted to talk a little bit about my experience with DJI Support. It's been an interesting couple of weeks. If you've watched my video, I lost my drone on the 25th of December, which was Christmas, which really sucked and sort of ruined my trip. It happened on the last day, so it really didn't ruin it that much, but it made me mad because it wasn't my fault. Anyways, today, this little guy showed up and it looks pretty good. So basically what DJI did was giving me a brand new, this is a brand new unit. It's not refurbished in any way. It's like legit new. I guess I could put DJI Care Refresh on it if I wanted to. I don't know if I will, because I don't know if that would have helped me in this situation where my drone was lost because it crashed from a mechanical error in the physical unit itself. But I am going to look into some insurance. I think Allstate or State Farm offers it. I got to get with my brother. He knows all the details on it, but I'm going to definitely check with them for that. But yeah, I'm really happy it's back. They did give me a new battery, and they did give me a set of props, which I also lost. They didn't give me an SD card, which sort of was a bummer, because when you buy a Phantom 4, it comes with an SD card, like a 16 gig Sony high-speed write, which is nice. I went out and bought the SanDisk SD card. I think it's the SanDisk Extreme, this little fella right here. Yeah, so I went out and bought one of those. If the video looks a little bit different today, or the audio sounds different, I am actually testing out a Canon SX730 HS as a B-roll additional camera to sort of give all this a little bit more of a awesome feel. But I'm really glad that the drone is back, and I wanted to talk about overall the experience and how this all went. So I emailed DJI immediately on Christmas. I called them and emailed them, and I actually got in contact with somebody, and probably you guys are like, why would you call on Christmas? Well, it makes a lot of sense. A lot of people were getting new drones, and I knew they were going to be open. So I called them and we got a case going. From there, about 5 emails later on Sunday, it was December 31st, I got an email, and I know it came from Shenzhen just from the timestamp. They basically said that they ran their data analysis, said that the drone was going to be warranted, that it was not my fault. From there, 4 more emails back and forth to get a shipping date, and 1 call from a regional manager. I finally got my drone. Now, I didn't go crazy on DJI. I was upset. It's obvious that I was upset because this wasn't my fault, but it's sort of wasn't really a bad experience. Like, a lot of people claim DJI has a bad experience. Now, obviously, if they said no, that we're not replacing your drone, I would have been dumbfounded and shocked, but I would have had to live with it. I mean, that's really all you can do at that point. But they didn't. They took care of it. They saw that it was definitely their fault. Now, they didn't send me a copy of the data analysis, but I went and decoded all the files myself. The experience, it took about 3.5 weeks to get my drone back to me, but it's back. I don't have to put out another $1,500 for this. I am going to put insurance on it, so I don't have to deal with anything ever again, which I would totally advise putting insurance on your craft if you don't already have insurance. DJI Care Refresh is nice, but I'm a little annoyed with that whole process. I don't think it's fair to a customer who's already spent $1,500 to have to pay to have a fast lane for support. And I don't know, I think $159 is a lot to protect something, and if you lose it or you can't recover it, you're shit out of luck. What is that? Like, if I lose it, it crashes, and I paid $159. Obviously, you can track this drone in the system the way it activates, so you would know if I was trying to scam or screw you. I don't know. I think that whole process is annoying, and that's got to change. That's got to be better with DJI Care. I did put DJI Care on my Spark because I'm nervous. The other problem is I don't know how long I'm going to keep this. The more and more I think about it, just because I'm nervous to fly it now. After that issue, I'm really nervous, and it sucks as a photographer, and you're always looking for that great shot, and if you can't get that shot, it sucks, and I'm really nervous to fly this. So I think I'm probably going to bail on the Phantom 4 just because I don't trust it anymore after that issue. I only had 26 flights. Retrospect, I had 140 flights on my Autel X-Star. Never had an issue. The other problem I have with these drones, they seem like they're more susceptible, or at least the version I had before this, to like magnetic interference and wireless interference. I notice is a bigger issue with these than I've seen with any other drone. My Uniques never had that crazy issue, although I did have a Unique totally just fly away and never come back, so there's that. But yeah, these just really random weird issues. But anyways, that's going to do it for today's video. Phantom 4 is back. Expect some awesome videos on that, and also got some camera reviews. SX730 HS review and the SL2 review is coming. Stay tuned. It's going to be awesome. Thanks so much for being a part of my channel and subscribing if you already did. We'll catch you in the next one. See ya.